Hey everyone, this is Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put images from Flickr.com easily into your WordPress blog postings, alright? Now before we begin, here's what you need to make sure you have installed on your website. There's a plugin called Insights it's on the WordPress.com plugin repository, and basically download this plugin, install it on your site. Or if you're a Tizish client, understand that this is already installed on your site for you. So for non-Tizish clients, download this onto your site and make sure it gets installed. After it gets installed, here's what you need to do. Alright? Go to your admin panel. So here's your admin panel, and go to a posting page. You know, whether it be you're doing a blog post or a blog page, it doesn't matter. So here I'm opening up a posting page, a blog post, and I'm going to show you how to use the tool. It's pretty straightforward. So let's say you put your title, you put your title and your body like normal. So I'm just going to call it test for now, and I'm just going to call this test for now as well, because it really doesn't matter what it's called. Test, whatever. That's the case. So after that, what we want to do is the following. After installing the Insights plugin, you're going to have the following section here called Insights. Alright? And now in this section here, this gives you all these resources to find videos from YouTube, images from Flickr, links from your own blog, articles from Wikipedia, Google results, news, blogs, and books. So here's the example. Let's say you want a picture of homes, right? I'm going to type in the word homes. I'm going to click on images. Now I click on search. What this plugin is going to do is find images from Flickr.com. Here's Flickr, from Flickr.com that you're allowed to use on your site. So here they are. I typed in homes, and here's the images that came up. Now notice, see all these tools that they have here, all these images. All you have to do is click on one, and that's going to go into your post wherever your cursor is. So here's my cursor. My cursor is under the word test. So what's going to happen is you could choose a size that you want. So let's say you want a thumbnail which is small. Basically choose the size that you want. Don't go to large unless it's a full width page. Usually something that's 1,000 pixels, as you see here, is going to be too big for your blog posting size. So medium is probably the max you want to go. So let's say I take the medium size, and I'm going to click on this one that looks like here, this home right here. All I do is click on this home, and when I clicked it once, let's go back up now, and let's see how the image is now inside the post. And here it is right here. So now we just put a picture from Flickr.com easily onto our site. So it's pretty straightforward on how to do that. And just to show you real quick what this other stuff does, if you click on my blog and search, it's going to look for blog articles that have in your blog that have the word homes in it that you can link to. So it's an easy way to find inner links on your site. And then same thing with videos. If you do videos and click on search, it's going to search YouTube. And if you do Wikipedia, it's going to search Wikipedia articles. These are all videos now. And then same thing with Google. So give it a go. Basically, it's an easy way to find outside content to put on your site. Alright, so here's one more thing though. Notice when I publish this page that this is what you have to do to be in legal compliance with Flickr.com. What you have to do is make sure that this image here links to the actual Flickr page of the image itself. So I'm going to publish this post as it's processing right now, and you're going to see that when it's published, this posting will be linking to the actual Flickr page that this is housed on. Alright, and the reason I mention that is that you have to do that to be in legal compliance with Flickr's rules for their Creative Commons and sharing functions that they have. Alright, so here's the post. Let's now go ahead and view the post. And I want to show you what I mean with how the image is linking. And I'm only showing you that because I'm going to also show you 2 more websites that searches the entire Flickr database that you could get the images from. Alright? So, while it's going, okay, so here's the posting that we just did as a test. And notice the image, alright? When I hover over it, it gives me some text and it tells you like what the image is, and when I click on it, you're gonna see how it links me directly to the Flickr page of this posting. Alright? So right now the page is loading and it's pulling me up directly to the Flickr page that has this image. Alright? Now understand, when you use this tool yourself, it'll automatically do it for you. It'll automatically make it link. But here's 2 more websites that I recommend you check out to find more Flickr images. And if you take a manual websites, understand that when you put the image on your site from these two websites I'm about to show you, make sure the image links to the article the way I showed you here, alright? So here's the two sites that I recommend you could also check out if you feel that the tool isn't providing you enough images. There's one of them here called compfight.com that basically lets you search Flickr images. So here's the example. You just type in the word, let's say homes. I'm just doing random example. You click on search. It's going to find loads of Flickr images that you can use, and then pretty much you're all set. So see here now how it has all these images, and let's say when I click on this one for instance, it just takes me to the Flickr page where I will just be able to take this image and put it on my site by just taking the whole image URL and so forth. So that's how that site works. Here's the second one, alright? And I'll give you the URLs at the end spelled out. Here's the second one. The second one is called flickerstorm.com, and it works the same way. You just put in a keyword, let's say homes, again, just to keep it consistent, and you click on search. And what it's going to do is just going to pull up loads of images from the Flickr database that are related to this word homes, alright? Now, this one's pretty straightforward. Just wait till all the images come up and choose one, just like everything else. See, there's the same image we clicked on. Now, a quick word back to compfight.com. You could choose if you want to search by tags or search by all text, which means it'll find this keyword in the text of the description, or it'll search it by tags. Try different variations to try to find photos that you like, alrighty? And then the other item real quick, here's the actual spelling of these URLs, right here. Take these URLs the way exactly as you see them now and save them, alright? And understand, if you're going to take an image from this URL, here's how you have to put it on your site. Let's say you're going to take this picture here, right? What you're going to have to do is okay, actually, here's a clarification. I just had to hit pause right now and clarify a couple things. When you search this site, compfight.com, and again the URLs are right here. When you search compfight.com, make sure you do the following. Click on Creative Commons to where it says only. Alright, so keep clicking this button that says off initially. Click on it until it says only. What that means is you're going to find images that you're allowed to actually share on your blog, because not all images are shareable. So click on either only or click on the one that says commercial. Don't do the one that says off, alright? So make sure that this setting says only, preferably, and if you don't find anything suitable here, then try the one that says commercial, alright? But I like the one that says only, alright? So when you hit on search, here's some examples. Let's go to this one. Okay, so to share an image, to get an image from here on your site, do the following. You click on share this, and by the way, you have to be signed in to this into your Flickr account, and then simply click on grab the HTML BB code. After you get the HTML URL of the image, all you have to do is go to your admin panel, click on the insert image button, and then here on the insert image button, once it loads up completely, you're going to have the option to insert the image from the URL that you actually copied and pasted, that we want to now paste. Well, something's wrong with this at this moment because of the computer I'm using. So basically, when this box loads up, you'll see an option across the top that says from URL. All you have to do is paste the URL of that image that you copied into that line and insert it into your post. Alright, so that's everything for this posting. Let me know if you have any questions. Hit like on this video and share any comments that you have regarding it. Alright, good luck and have fun using it. Take care.